Hello everyone, welcome back to another new video. In this video, I'm gonna talk about the top 5 best yoga mats that are available on the market. I made this list based on my personal research and I try to list them based on price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below, and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Reehut Extra Thick High Density NBR Exercise Yoga Mat. This extra wide yoga mat will offer tremendous comfort to the yoga performers. Because of the presence of top quality foam, this particular mat is also going to provide adequate cushioning to the different parts of the body, including the hips, spine, knees as well as elbows on the hard floor. Moreover, this product comes with a top quality slip resistant feature which will help you to prevent any injury. You will also receive a totally cost-free yoga mat strap along with this product. Moreover, you will find it very easy to travel along with this mat thanks to its lightweight. It also happens to be eco-friendly as well as non-toxic. Another positive aspect of this product is that it offers you a lucrative 1-year warranty. Check out the description for more information about this product and latest price. Moving on, at number 4, we have the We Sell Mats Gymnastics Tumbling Exercise Folding Martial Arts Mats. This particular folding yoga mat is made of top-quality polyethylene foam which you can fold into a tiny size for easy portability and storage. One of the main features of this product is the presence of heavy-duty vinyl covering. You can easily connect the mats together in almost any configuration by hooking and looping the fasteners on every side. In fact, people who are performing various workouts like gymnastics, yoga, martial art, stretching as well as general workouts are going to find these mats to be extremely convenient. These are constructed with the highest quality polyethylene foam. The outer surface is manufactured from heavy-duty vinyl which happens to be fire, mildew as well as puncture resistant. At number 3, we have the HemingWeigh Extra Thick High Density Exercise Yoga Mat. This amazing HemingWeigh exercise yoga mat will guarantee you of avoiding any injury mainly because of the non-slippery double-sided surfaces. Specially manufactured comfy memory foam is one of the most prominent features of this mat. While providing adequate protection to your arms, back, knees and joints due to its thickness, this remarkable product also helps you to grip the floor conveniently, which enable you to maintain your balance while performing the workouts. Apart from being extremely resilient, you can wash the product easily using soap and water without any problem because of its moisture-resistant attributes. Easy strapping and lightweight feature is added to this mat for simple transport and storage. Having a dimension of 24 by 71 inches, this product will offer you tremendous comfort due to the presence of top quality and high-density foam material which helps to cushion your body on the hard ground. At number 2, we have the YogaAccessories Extra Thick Deluxe Yoga Mat. Weighing at approximately 4 pounds, the YogaAccessories Extra Thick Deluxe Yoga Mat happens to be amongst the thickest products at present. In fact, you'll find them in various shades which are quite vibrant although not much bright. This well-made exercise mat is also known to add additional comfort to your yoga workouts. Apart from this advantage, the mat is going to last for a long duration given that it is quite resilient. Consequently, make it a point to purchase this extra thick, luxurious mat to make your yoga pursuits much more comfortable. And finally, at number 1, we have the Sivan Health and Fitness Comfort Foam Yoga Mat. The Sivan Health and Fitness Yoga and Pilates mat are undoubtedly amongst the thickest mats you'll find at present, with a thickness of as much as 12 mm. Specially manufactured memory foam happens to be a positive aspect of this mat which provides tremendous comfort to the performer. Moreover, it is also going to safeguard you including your knees as well as joints because of its thickness, and you'll also be able to feel the ground properly for maintaining your balance. The mat will be able to guarantee 100% comfort to individuals of every shape and size due to its extra large dimensions. All in all, this product is appropriate for virtually every type of yoga since it is constructed from extremely resilient NBR foam. Furthermore, a convenient carry strap comes with this particular mat which helps you to carry it conveniently to any location. Thanks you for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.